Hello, in this very short video tutorial, I'd like to explain how to use an answer sheet for the scenario game Value Proposition. This is the answer sheet for round 1 and round 2, because for round 3, the answer sheet is different. So for round 1 and round 2, it's kind of self-explained template, so you should find it relatively straightforward to use it. But hey, let me give you more instructions so you are clear. First of all, you have to provide team details, team name up to 10 letters, one word, somewhere here. Make sure you do provide this information because that's the only way we can identify you when marking your template. So marking is done anonymously. We won't know team leader's name or names of the students, and only based on the team name provided here. Whereas your tutors will know the team details, so they can later on insert the marks for you. So note, this is only a template. It's up to you to determine the correct number of features, so you won't know how many features there are. Up to you to determine correct number of benefits, competitors, scales, and so on. And that's what really makes the game unique and challenging at the same time. So radar chart, as mentioned, 40% of the weight, pricing 10% of the weight, value proposition 50% of the weight of your marks. So in radar chart, you have to write down features. For example, one of the features is say if you have a Dyson cleaner, so feature is cycling technology. So you enter feature, and you will note that the same feature actually was automatically put here in the value proposition. So the Litella is the brand you are working for, and you have to now scale them from 1 to 3. Basically, here is instruction. 3, the brand delivers strongly on this feature. 2, the brand delivers moderately, and 1, the brand delivers weakly. And you never use 0. So your aim is to find what you are strong at, of course. So the more number 3s you have, the better it is. So, for example, for Litella, say, okay, the cycling technology now makes no sense, but it's just for illustration purposes. So say these are the points you give, and you can see it's drawn for you on the radar chart. Your competitor, so you actually have to write down your name of the competitor. For example, 3 buttons. Okay, and you can see competitor name appears on here, and then you identify, say this is really good. And you can see number 3, it made it orange and it goes across the radar chart. You can write down, and then you in brackets you have to choose whether it's direct or indirect competitor. There are only very few marks given for that, but it's still kind of good to collect more marks so you can increase your overall performance. But don't worry too much about it. You write down your competitor 2, competitor 3. Maybe there are only 3 competitors. Maybe there are 5 competitors. Maybe there are 2 competitors. Maybe there are 8 competitors. It's up to you to determine. If you see that there are less competitors, for example, only 4, so you just simply delete one more from here, or you can delete in this way. Anyway, up to you. Just feel free to use the template in the way that works for you. So let's put it back. Okay, and again you will write down the scales for your game. And you can see it changes. Okay, so this would look something like that. So here you need to write down features. You don't know exactly how many you have. If you have less, please delete the ones that you don't need. If you need more, please add, insert the rows. Yes, you need to know how to use Excel, but it's more basic information and you should be absolutely fine doing that. You need to identify competitors, and in brackets you need to write down whether it's direct or indirect. Sometimes students might lose points because they forget to write down whether it's direct or indirect, but I'm sure you won't do this. And provide scales here. Now we move to the second section, pricing. So the drink is available in both in bars and grocery shops, but mainly you are working really in bars, and all decisions you're making are related to bars. So you are asked to actually identify the price. So just write down the price. For example, here the price might be for example, £10, and then provide an argument for the price. And reason for the price change as well. Then you have value proposition, so identify a target market, be as specific as you can, as clear as you can. Write down product name, category, and here write down the benefits. Again, benefits that correspond to a particular feature. So for example, cycling technology benefit might be long lasting. Some will have 2 benefits, others will have 3 benefits, others will have other features will have only 1 benefit. It's up to you to decide how many. Here you don't write anything, you just leave it blank. This is basically long lasting due to cycling technology. So that's how you can read it. And point of difference, how is this different to everything else available in the market? Once you've done, please submit this here and please follow this instruction. Write down the name, round 1, team name, and then click on this link and submit the file. So hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.